my name is Umar Qureshi. I'm sitting with a tiger. I'm son of Sardar के साथ. का नाम जितना अलग है, उतने ही उनके रोल्स अलग हैं.
इमरान हाशमी. रियल देखना तो पीछे में आके देखो.
इतने में इतना ही मिलेगा.
बहुत वाहियात बातें होने वाली हैं. और आज मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि शीरी फरहाद की तो निकल पड़ी, लेकिन रोमियो एंड जूलियट की लग गई.
रोमियो एंड जूलियट.
Oh, welcome guys.
Thank you, Omar. We have had many introductions, but none like this.
None like this.
According to you, who's the biggest bol bachchan in Bollywood?
Omar.
Tell me one secret about a film that no one knows.
I know lots of secrets. Lots and lots.
Tell the truth. Let's not be the truth. I've pulled her hair. I think she's lost some hair. Yeah, just look at her. She doesn't have hair there. Pulled it out. I would go on her. She scratched me.
Don't do this. Please don't do. I don't want to see two girls wrestling like this.
If she had to cross my path, I would trip her
like that.
My God. Come on. Go.
Yeah.
And individually, they would come and tell me, "God, I can't stand her."
Yeah. Just off the top of my head, you know, just.
She wore the same dress that I was wearing in this scene. You know, she told the designer. She knew it all along. I'm wearing white, so she went and wore the same white.
He forgets names. Anytime he's sitting, he just wants to talk to, refer to something. Even I'm sitting there, he's like, "Hey, Sudarshan." Or he'll call me, "Hey, Saurabh." He just takes any name that comes to his mind.
Been released 2 weeks after my film, and my film's collections got restricted because of that.
I think you should be celebrating. Don't think about it.
I hated that film.
आपने इस फिल्म की कदर जानी.
एक तो हम लोग न्यूकमर्स की फिल्म थी, ये आ रही थी मिस वर्ल्ड के बाद, you know, अक्षय कुमार के साथ.
मेरे को तो कुछ और आता ही नहीं.
It's okay. It's all's fair in love and war.
हम लोगों की फिल्म में कोई था नहीं, बिगेस्ट स्टार था अनु मलिक. हम लोग सब एक्साइटेड थे, अन्नू सर फिल्म देखने आ रहे हैं, तो हम सब ऐसे लाइन में खड़े हुए थे, अन्नू सर आएंगे, अन्नू सर आएंगे. And he came in and he saw the film in the interval, and we were both in the men's loop, and we were both taking a leak.
Okay.
Yeah. Right after he finished taking that leak, he put his hand on my shoulder.
And after that?
तू बहुत अच्छा actor है यार, तू बहुत अच्छा actor है, तू star बनेगा. And I was only thinking about, I don't care about the star part, just get your hand off me right now.
No.
Well, this is a very weird story. Let's not get into that zone at all. What should be the ghost sound in Ras 3? Anita, the maid, came to do pocha and she was behind and I didn't know she was there. And then suddenly I heard, "Oh, Deva, 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 Deva."
Oh God. I believe the film worked because of its emotional content.
Sure, absolutely. Why not?
You worked out religiously.
Yeah, I worked out religiously. I starved also religiously. I am continuing with that diet because I don't want to let go of my fitness.
If it works for you, why not?
It's okay. It's all's fair in love and war.
Very important.
Doesn't that shrink you a little bit?
I probably back off.
It's very tight.
Yeah.
Tight-assed.
But then what happened? You let yourself go.
I let myself go. I let myself go in the director's hands.
Lucky.
Now see, जो मैं कह रहा हूँ वो बहुत innocently कह रहा हूँ. अभी इनके नापाक दिमाग का मैं क्या करूँ?
It's a creative thing. None of you have worn the chiffon sari in this one.
This time, tell them the truth.
Yeah, I have worn a chiffon sari.
They've gone to another tangent only.
Every time I wore it, one of them would take it off.
Okay.
Even now, am I looking much smaller compared to these two? Do I look overpowered by them? Is the kind of scene I had, you know.
He is not trying to prove a point that I'm trying to make a great film.
That whenever they attack me in a chiffon sari, try to take it off.
I swear, I'm picturizing this whole thing.
And let me tell you honestly, both of them have a very different way of taking off sari.
I don't think it's right.
How do you describe that?
Could we
Like, how does
specify not
Katrina
taking off our own saris, taking off
How does
his?
Katrina take off your sari and how does Anushka take off your sari?
You're asking a personal question. It's a wrong way of approach. I don't think it's right.
I wouldn't say which one is which, but one is extremely rough. And one is very gentle, so well, it was nice.
If your dad would see this interview, he would slap you.
I will kill you, Akshay!
One thing about Bollywood that no one knows.
Two original pranksters of the film industry happen to be sitting in front of you. Ajay Devgan and Rohit Shetty. They're the most devious, satanical, plotting evil minds on earth. It is not a dull moment. You can never sit in peace on their set. You don't know what these two are going to be up to.
There's 15,000 people. They're cops. Yeah, pushing people back, पीछे हो जाओ. मतलब उनकी band बजी हुई है. They're like about 100 cops handling 15,000 people, you know. And suddenly, and I told Priyanka, give me your hand and let's just walk through this fast so that, you know, because at any time something can happen. And she's like, no.
अब dirty होने के बाद तो यही होना.
I don't want to fall in front of them in case we walk fast. That would be really embarrassing. So let's walk really slowly. Why would you not want to get out of that situation as fast as possible?
Because you're on heels.
Let's walk slowly.
Have you seen Shaq?
Let's walk in a dignified way and get through this. Arey Baba, let's run.
A girl, when she's in heels, she's got to be careful and like kind of slow.
How were you in heels in 1910? You were wearing jutis.
I don't think I should be commenting about it. No.
Yes. I was in heels. In Aurangabad, we were shooting 1910.
अच्छा, मैं कितनी बार गिरी हूँ?
You were not in heels.
मैं कितनी बार गिरी हूँ?
काफी बार. I've lost count of it.
Okay. It's all part of life.
एक बार और गिर जाती. गिर के भाग लेती फिर से.
I think it's a very individual thing. 3,000.
She started walking in bloody slow motion, yeah.
What is so wrong with it?
A player character who's English, who struggles with his English, and
this is an aspect which is very unfair.
Doesn't struggle. He's very confident. He thinks he knows English very well.
But he gets the muhavras wrong and all.
अगर मेरी छाती और भी चौड़ी हो गई है, my chest has become blouse.
Ouch. We left out with so much sizzle happening here.
हमारा sizzle हो चुका है ना. हमारा sizzle हो चुका है ना.
You're not Anjana anymore.
But ये sizzle से.
We both moved on.
इस sizzle से मेरा थोड़ा fizzle हो गया था because right after the kiss I got up and I hit a cutter stand and I cut my head. That time I remember they had to stop shoot for 20 days. तो बहुत बड़ा लोचा मतलब खेल पीड़ी हो गया था मेरे लाइफ में.
I don't believe it.
So he
Damn the
just
cutter.
stood up in shock.
Yeah, I know.
When?
Some forces made me stand up.
I don't believe you what you're saying.
This is a family show.
Are you playing an adult filmmaker?
Yeah, that's one of the things that he does.
Yeah, in the film?
Yes, that's one of the things.
How did you prepare for that?
That, for some reason, has stuck very well with everyone, not the other things.
Yeah.
That's always the last thing I keep, but that's something that sticks with everyone.
Yeah.
He's a small-town journalist. He's kind of multifaceted. He does a lot of things. After 12 at night, he shoots porn films in his house.
Okay.
So, yeah, he's quite an interesting character that way.
Yeah, how did you prepare for this one, but?
Well, Dibakar was wanting to show me a lot of
porn.
Yeah, Indian, really low-grade stuff, porn. But I said, Dibakar, it's okay. As long as I know I just have to hold the camera, so just don't show me the stuff. He asked me 4 times on the set, do you want to see it? I said, no, I don't want to see it.
The one guy getting very threatened by you right now.
Imran Hashmi?
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Because he's become the serial kisser.
Yeah. He should be. Imran, I'm coming for you. और ये कोई राज नहीं है.
Tell me, are you pushing the envelope because nowadays, like you said, the audiences are more open to, the adult humor. They're more exposed to international television and international movies. Is that because of that you're pushing the envelope and saying, let's push it, देखो कहाँ तक जाता है?
मुझे लगता है कि आज मल्टीप्लेक्स का ज़माना आ चुका है. इतने सारे लोग इतनी सारी फिल्में देख रहे हैं. They are more open because of television. A lot of stuff is seen on television. I think there's a larger bank of people who would subscribe to this kind of humor, this kind of film, I feel.
Filmmakers have their favorite sensation that they like to sell. Some like to sell laughter, some like to sell love. I like to sell fear.
With some sex in it.
A lot of sex in it.
You know what I like about him is he is not trying to prove a point that I'm trying to make a great film. That's the best part. People come with so much of baggage that they're trying to, that I'm making a classic. His intention is never to make a classic. His intention is to entertain the audience, and he knows how to entertain them, and his only sole intention is to entertain the audience.
We want to do a film that's for the youth. We want to do it for this emerging multiplex market. And we don't want any Rona Dona with the mother and father, and the obstacles are the characters themselves. And I want to make a slightly more Western sensibility movie. We did things like Hum Tum and Salam Namaste. The audience was also growing up. Now it's become a genuine mainstream market.
And I don't think that any star can carry ridiculous film. The film has to have something about it that people go and see the film once and twice and thrice.
Exactly. Two big actresses are working on a big project. They're bound to be catfights and rivalry.
Both of us are working with it for the first time, so it's a special thing for both of us. There are some instances, I mean, I've personally had them where you may not gel, let's put it that way, so well with the person for various reasons, which usually are ridiculous and don't make sense.
Tell us.
We both came. Our equation with each other has no baggage to it.
You're color coordinated also.
We're color coordinated, but also it seriously had no baggage to it. So I think we were just able to see each other, and I kind of saw her, and she kind of saw me. And I won't speak for her, but I think we just instantly kind of liked each other. And I do a film with you again. Like if I had to do a film with another actress, and someone asked me who do you want to do it with, I do it with Katrina. I see, we're doing films together. In fact, we're going to come as a package now. It's going to be, you know,
at half price.
Together.
So many interviews you must have taken about two heroines talking. They all talk this way.
There's no reason to be, I think.
Also, in all fairness, when you're new, I would assume that you're, first of all, trying to get through it. Get through it as well as you can, rather than wanting to knock off everyone else as well. That's a bit much. She's not that dangerously ambitious, I think.
Be positive.
Give them a little bit of growth and success, then people start wanting it all. Yeah, so we'll give her some time.
You know, strangely, I've become really good friends over the film. And like people say, I really think, okay, you know, if you two heroines maybe cannot be friends or whatever, I understand to a certain extent that, you know, when you're within the same industry, within the same fraternity, you're competitive. But I guess I've not really had, I'm very competitive. When you're content in your space, to a certain extent, you don't have insecurity issues with other people.
Shit, man.
And we've become very good friends. Like when I went to Hyderabad, when I was shooting Krish there, she came on my set and everybody, no matter the fact that Dugu and I were shooting there for 10 days, none of the junior artists were interested in us. Ileana came, we had to, the set fell down.
Wow.
The assistants were like, "Kaun hai bhai? Kaun hai?" And then I went on her set, we hung out, we met. When she comes to
we've just been comfortable ever since you know the first day. That's what I said. I mean, we've gotten along so well, all of us. So.
जैसे मुनीश बेल ने कहा था कि एक लड़का और लड़की दोस्त नहीं हो सकते.
अब कौन किसके मारेगा पता नहीं.
आजकल हो गया कि दो एक्ट्रेसेस दोस्त नहीं हो सकते. But that's totally untrue because they are the contradiction of that. They're best friends.
How did it grow to this extent?
अब dirty होने के बाद तो यही होना.
Ask one question on your
This who asked you to ask questions, yeah?
How good a kisser is Imran?
He is good, very good at what he does, and why he's called a serial kisser. He's good at it. But I think you should go beyond his kissing and see the kind of work that he does. And in my scene, he really helped me because I just was forgetting my dialogues. I just told Vikram, why do we have to do it like that?
What do you mean by go beyond?
That is not the point. I'm saying,
is he good?
He's a good kisser. Okay, Imran Hashmi is a good kisser.
No retakes in the kissing sequences, nothing.
I mean, if it's possible and if the director is my friend, he should feel for me and give me retakes. But I can't, you know, in front of the heroine who I'm kissing, I can't say, यार एक और retake दे दो, मेरा upper lip थोड़ा, उसका position ठीक नहीं था. अभी फिर से लेना.
Yeah, but you know, the one guy getting very threatened by you right now.
Imran Hashmi?
Yeah.
I'm sure
Become the serial kisser.
Yeah. He should be. Imran, I'm coming for you. और ये कोई राज नहीं है.
Describe the following person in one word. Akshay.
Money sperm.
John Abraham.
बहुत गांडा लड़का है.
Salman, you and Shah Rukh, you know, have a healthy respect for each other. You've been friends in the past.
We don't see eye to eye nowadays. I mean, we don't talk.
I think we wish everyone the best.
He should beat me with his work, and I should beat him with with my work.
I think it's the same feeling, really.
There's a lot of respect for the kind of work that everybody does.
We all know, like I said in the beginning, that where we have reached is with a lot of hard work.
We're not in a boxing ring.
I don't think any of us.
ज़्यादा करके लोगों ने इस चीज़ को बहुत बड़ा चढ़ा दिया है.
Your next movie with Shah Rukh, how different is his working style with you know, the other heroes you worked with?
Yeah, this is even I want to know.
I would say he's.
You want me to answer that?
You can.
Yeah. Okay. I think that I know for a fact that her chemistry with Shah Rukh would be really good if it's a love story.
I've always wanted to work with Katrina, and she's a professional. I think one of the leading stars in terms of our country.
Immense amount of intensity in his work. He takes his work really seriously. He's a very competent and very spontaneous actor.
Salman, you and Shah Rukh, have a healthy respect for each other. You've been friends in the past. Is there like a patch
no,
up on
this
the
is just that we don't see eye to eye nowadays. I mean, we don't talk. We stay very far away from each other. But there's a lot of respect for the kind of work that everybody does.
I think it's the same feeling, really. We're all emotional people about our personal lives, and I don't think any of us, in 20 years that I've worked with so many people, and Salman, any of us have wished anyone bad.
ज़्यादा करके लोगों ने इस चीज़ को बहुत बड़ा चढ़ा दिया है.
Yeah, there are days when you are angsty and angry and disturbed and have these little tiffs. We'd have it. We'll have it. While working together, post that, tomorrow, day after, at workplace or personally also. But you don't hold that against anyone. I think we wish everyone the best. And we all know, like I said in the beginning, that where we have reached is with a lot of hard work, a lot of passion, and a lot of belief. And we know it's the similar for all of us. So you don't question it and say, hers is lesser than mine is more than hers or lesser than his. Or, you respect each other for what we all have.
Yeah, there has to be. There has to be. When God has given somebody so much of respect, there's no right for a human to bring down that person. And I hate it when people try and come and say shit about him. I don't like that at all, because they want to take mileage out of this and they want a reaction on it, which I actually don't feel. There was a time where we didn't get along as such. We still don't. We're like far away, but it's not that there's any enmity. Whatever's happened in the past is all forgotten. Everybody, grows. Everybody's mature.
By Allah's grace, all of us have so much that it'd be extremely ungrateful to wish negative for anyone in our profession or outside.
Before I end my rapid fire.
It's super with rapid fire.
Ileana, who's the better kisser, Ranbir or Vijay, who acted in the 3 Idiots remake with you in the South?
You kissed Vijay also?
You kissed him too. I think you should ask them. Dhoka kyun? You should ask them. I kissed them. Ask him. He's right there.
I think she's better than Vijay.
One piece of advice you would give to men who can't choose between 2 women.
Better get to know a third.
How do you think men can increase their sperm count? Engage in sports, be an Aryaputra, or watch Sunny Leone?
Sunny Leone.
You give a tip to a man to charm a woman the way you do on screen.
Lights band kar do.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Good one.
Yeah. Bollywood's best action hero according to you?
Me, myself.
Describe the following person in one word. Akshay. John Abraham.
बहुत गांडा लड़का है.
A few questions. What do you think of when I say the following? What do you think of when I say Teri Shodha button?
अगर बंद है तो खोल दो.
What do you think?
टाइट है तो फाड़ दो.
Pichkari.
Pichkari, Naseer Saab in the Dirty Picture.
Coconut water.
ठंडक, प्यास को बुझाना.
Depends which coconuts.
And water retention कम करना.
Water
Coconut also, I think, reduces water
Very
retention.
healthy.
Yeah, very healthy.
दिन में 2 बार पीना चाहिए.
Yeah.
It's good for health.
2 एक साथ.
Of course.
It's good for the health.
Yeah, of course it is.
Use a straw.
और फिर बाद में काट के लेकिन
काटो
मलाई भी
काटो
मलाई भी खाना.
काटो
सिर्फ मलाई खाना. अच्छा. स्कूप से मलाई निकालो.
Okay. I'm going to show you some stuff now.
नहीं बस अभी इस इंटरव्यू में इससे ज़्यादा मैं
Before we end.
नहीं कर पाऊँगा.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thanks for Q.
Thanks.
Bye.
Thank you Ranbir. Thank you Ileana.
Thank you so much.
Thank you Priyanka.
Thank you, Umar.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Enjoyed all over again.
Oh, chalo, thank you. Bye.